Hey there, folks. Many of you know me. My name is Evan Taylor Jones, farmer by day, musician by night. I am with my father, who you all will begin to know as Pop. He's going to formally introduce himself.
Hey guys, this is Pop. My name is Richard Sheldon Jones Sr. By all means, please call me Pop. We are on the brink of something amazing and we cannot wait to share it with you. You're going to find out very quickly that America has a new favorite family.
Get together and stay together. All else will take care of itself. It's going to be like second nature. We want to be an example for harmony, togetherness, love, godly values.
Creativity and sustainability and all of that. This is life's promotion, if you will.
Dad, tell me about how your mother's family used to farm and grow food, and how you remember walking through there sometimes and just seeing all kinds of stuff: tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, the works. And what generation of the family was that? Who was that to you?
When you look back, being Black Americans, it wasn't whether or not we gardened. We gardened through slavery, which was only 4 generations before me. We definitely gardened, picking cotton and anything else to cultivate land. So I know that for the most part, it came up through my family.
4 generations before you, for slaves working and cultivating land. You kind of just learned as you went along. Naturally, you get good at it. This is how you're going to eat, and this is your payment. You can eat ham hocks and collard greens and pig feet and everything like that.
Having ham hocks and pig feet and all of that was a disgrace in a sense. It wasn't good eating. It was the leftovers. That's where chitlins came from. That's where hog maws. That's where pig feet, chicken talons, all of that stuff. It was a degradation. It was to say, yeah, we said we'd feed you. We didn't say what we'd feed you.
I had wondered if you knew about that and if you were on the same page with that, because they were exactly that. They were scraps.
Crazy, right? Right? I'm sorry, guys. So, in closing this show, being the father, this is the start of something new. Evan has already started, but this is the start of the family starting to migrate in. So, I am the first of the other 2 that have to come. I am so honored that you guys would be right here with us. What I want to say, and I want this to echo down through the years that you guys grow with us. I need you to understand that what we do, how we speak, how we laugh together, how we joke together, how we get serious, and how we tell truth, that's who we are. So I don't want you to misunderstand. It's not about arrogance, it's a confidence. It's not about arrogance, it's a confidence.